Hello and welcome to Market Wrap with Raja. Today is the 27th of October 2020, and we are seeing that market has once again reversed from the levels which we had indicated. I hope you are watching these videos regularly, and I'm sure that you are also benefiting. Yes, I had mentioned that probably the bulls have been bid farewell by the Bears, but I believe that they did not leave the room and they are back once again. So maybe the Bulls are continuing to play mischief with the Bears, but that's what we are going to see. What is in store and what should we be doing? This is Raja Venkatraman, co-founder of NeoTrader and also your trading influencer. I've been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. The way the markets revived once again, it's again hanging on to a ray of hope. Probably the hope should not become hopeless, but then it's all a game of the market, and that's what we got to see. And the way the markets behaved, some revival from the bottoms. So the whole division of the Nifty 500 was on a 50-50 scale. Some stock specific action emerged, and the Nifty was definitely catapulted by the good promise shown by Kotak Bank with its results, and also a very strong up move in Kotak Bank, and also some other sectors also rallied, some move from the banking space, and the whole scenario seems to have spot on. And like we had discussed yesterday, Bank Nifty had come down to these support levels, which we had indicated in our video. And if you're watching this video for the first time, I would like you to go and subscribe, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you are notified that yes, Raja is saying something and maybe I should give 5 to 10 minutes to just listen to him. All right. Coming back to this video, we are seeing that the maximum pain point continues to be around 11,800. Nothing has got disturbed. On the Bank Nifty, it continues to be around 24,000. So the whole picture is now moving to a very trying and testing phase for the markets as a whole. But then, if you've got your plan cut out, if you've got your work cut out, then I'm sure that you will definitely be on the right path. And that's why I would want you to continue to watch my videos, get some connect, and then find out कि market में कैसे काम करे, levels को कैसे देखे और levels के साथ कैसे अपने positions बनाए. तो मेरा मकसद यही रहता है कि हर एक व्यूअर को कुछ ना कुछ क्लू मिल जाए, बिकॉज एवरी पिक्चर हैज गॉट happiness, it's got fight, it's got emotion, so everything is packaged. So that's what I do. I share with you some news bits about the market, I share with you some information about the market, and I also share some key important levels with the help of our friend NeoTrader. So let's go right in. I also have a very interesting chart, but you got to hang on a little bit more, and at the end of today's session I'll be showing you a very interesting chart and some new sector which is now making inroads and disturbing the whole structure. All right, so let's go right in and find out what do we have in store. So first, before I begin the whole show, I would directly would want to go into NeoTrader and go right into Bank Nifty. All right. So when you take a look at Bank Nifty, you can see here how Bank Nifty has been positioned. So you can see that the Bank Nifty is currently moved to 24,740, and at 24,740, it is currently tied up just below the R1 level. So at the R1 levels, हम देख रहे हैं कि R1 और जो R1 है मल्टी डे का, देयर इज अ नाइस कॉन्फ्लुएंस आउट देयर. सो आज हम देख रहे हैं कि काफी सारा कॉन्फ्लुएंस बैठ रहा है. मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कि कॉन्फ्लुएंस कैसे देखेंगे. ये रहा एक लेवल R1 which we need to exceed, and once this is crossed, you have got one confluence level out here and you have got the next confluence zone out here. But ये ध्यान में रखिए कि once R1 is crossed, you have a very good chance of the 25,000 level being crossed, and that could open up doors to a much powerful way. And I have been cautioning that Bank Nifty is the sector to watch out for. So yes, this is something which is looking very promising. And once that happens, then yes, we got room till 25,000, which is very much possible. And once 25,000 is exceeded, you have got 500 points more on the upside. So yes, it's looking to be a very interesting phase, and we have the confluence levels which you can watch out for. But now let's go and see on the intraday. You can see here, this is the intraday chart, and the intraday charts clearly reveals that there was a nice move to the upside. And right now, what foresee is that there is some bit of resistance zone here. So if you've seen here that this is a resistance zone right now, which is emerging on Bank Nifty. So this could be something to watch out for tomorrow. So let's not get too excited. Yes, it's a good thing to be aware, but then it's not easy to be in the marketplace when you are carrying that excitement because, like I said, it's a buy on dip, sell on rally approach. And if I convert this into a daily chart, what do you see here? Is you see that the current zone is once again reaching that zenith. So in and around this area, so around 25,000 is the first resistance, 25,300 is the next resistance. And if you add some indicators here, just let's today take a look from the मोमेंटम इंडेक्स और यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे अब भी काफी कोशिश कर रहा है बैंक निफ्टी टू रिटेन द बुलिश स्पिरिट लेकिन मसला अब तक ठीक नहीं हुआ है एंड वी शुड बी अ वेरी careful and aware trader because it's not going to happen that it's going to go up all the way because there are not yet more positive triggers which are emerging. तो थोड़ा संभाल के काम करना पड़ेगा and once we take a look at the Nifty chart, now let's go to the Nifty chart. This is the Nifty chart here and Nifty right now we have seen a very good rally and the rally what I am seeing right now has come into a important resistance zone. So I give a lot of importance to the small body candles here, and I'm seeing that around this area, 11,900 once again could prove to be a stifling point. And let's also take the help of Mr. Fibonacci. So यहाँ पे एक retracement draw कर लेंगे recent high से और आप देखिए exactly it has come up to 61.8. So Nifty has given a very good closing. But then, yes, Nifty has not given a very confident closing at the end of today. So tomorrow, again, it's going to be a wait and watch day. Every day is a wait and watch day. You got to be careful. You got to measure your moves, and you got to be like the cheetah in the jungle. Wait in the grass. Wait for the opportunity, and only pounce on those stocks where you have some clue. Otherwise, you are going to be severely bruised. All right. So now let's also go down into the NeoTrader and let's see what our friend has in store for us. Does he have some levels to watch out for? And hang on, friends, because after this, I'm going to be showing you a very, very interesting chart setup. I'm going to be speaking about a sector. So what I see here is that right now with Nifty at just shy below R1. So R1 पे हमारा पहला ध्यान होगा if R1 is exceeded. Once R1 is exceeded, then you have got sufficient room because till it reaches 12,000, there is hardly any cluster zone. So 12,000 on your multi-day and 12,000 on your R3. So you have a good move once it moves above 11,910. So that is a level to watch out for, and we will be waiting for those levels to be exceeded. So Nifty and Bank Nifty are trading between pivot and R1. So yes, it's definitely on the positive side, but then you got to wait for things to happen. Otherwise, a premature entry would only give you more pain. And of course, they say no gain without pain, but then these kind of pains are something which you should not be taking in the market right now. क्योंकि market में किसी market ने किसी को नहीं छोड़ रहा है और markets is just like ISIS. You make a mistake, you get shot. So now let's go to the interesting chart which I was talking about. And hey guys, if you have not hit the subscribe button, if you have not clicked the like button, if you have not hit the bell icon, then the time to do it is now. All right. So चलिए देखते हैं एक interesting setup है यहाँ पे. I have done a comparative study. Okay, I have done a comparative study of 5 sectors here: Nifty, CNXIT, ऑटो, मेटल, फार्मा एंड FMCG। और इस चार्ट को देखते हुए आईटी की दौर जो थी एवर सिंस द लास्ट फ्यू months has been phenomenal, and IT is definitely leading from the front. But then what I saw is after some hesitation, okay, there was some profit booking in metal और चाइना का न्यूज आया तो metal में there was some subdued, or it actually came down. Metals and the auto space were also moving well. But then what really happened is that after the pullback, metals gave a pullback, but the auto have been continuing to hold on, and they are showing an increase in the sales numbers. There is a general pickup in demand. So the auto sector, I feel, is showing some spirit, showing some revival, and with the festive season in play, there could be some good movement in the auto space, and that could be some interesting thought flow, and that's where you could actually divide your market participation. The other sector which I would like to highlight is metal, because metals definitely had a hit over the last 3 months, and then now it has once again revived, and it seems to be outperforming the Nifty here, while Nifty is continuing to hang around and see what can be done. This is definitely doing much better. Pharma has taken a break right now. Yes, overall pharma is good, but then right now pharma and IT are on the backside, and the sectors which you can concentrate on is the auto and the metal, because they seems to be the new devil in the pack. So that's where you can concentrate on. FMCG कभी हाँ कभी ना, so उसमें ज़्यादा कुछ दम नहीं है, but I would wager my bets on auto and metal because they are looking to be quite exciting, and you can concentrate on that space in the next few weeks, because I see that yes, this sector looks to be picking up, and that is where you can expect some action. So this is what I wanted to share with you as part of this edition of Market Wrap. I hope you like what I share, and I'm sure that you'll be sharing this video with as many people as possible, because this kind of structured analysis is not done anywhere on the internet. Thank you for watching this video. This is Raja Venkatraman signing off, co-founder of NeoTrader and also your trading influencer. I've been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. Good day, stay safe, stay healthy.